This week, I'm breaking down the 5 most common mistakes inventors make when filing a provisional patent application themselves and how to avoid them. Here's number 4, failing to include drawings or diagrams. Legally, drawings aren't required for a provisional patent application to get a filing date. However, they are required if they are necessary for understanding the invention, and they almost always are. Drawings and diagrams help explain what your invention looks like and how it functions, especially when text falls short. They can't just be haphazard either if you want them to count when it's time for the non-provisional application. Just because drawings aren't required for a provisional application to get a filing date doesn't mean they can't make or break your non-provisional application. Why does this matter? Visuals help clarify your invention and can fill in gaps where words fall short. They also help show key components and functionality. Even a basic hand-drawn sketch can make your disclosure more complete. If you later need to prove you disclosed a certain feature, your drawings might be the only evidence that saves you. If something isn't covered in the description or the drawings, it would be new matter in the non-provisional application, and I described earlier why that's bad. Here's how to avoid this mistake. Include clear sketches, CAD files, or hand drawings. Include labeled parts, multiple angles, or flow charts if your invention involves processes. If the parts or steps are there in a non-formal drawing for the provisional application, the drawing can be cleaned up to comply with USPTO drawing rules for the non-provisional application. Assume the people reading the application have no imagination and show in addition to telling. Even basic visuals can go a long way. Working with a patent attorney can put you in touch with patent artists who know how to comply with USPTO requirements and can show you what drawings are needed to make the application make sense to someone who isn't familiar yet with the invention. If you'd like to consult with me, you can use my contact form, or you can book a consultation online at kingpatentlaw.com or by calling my office at 312-596-2222 or 217-714-8558. Please check out my website for more information on patents and other intellectual property and business law issues.